Hey everyone, I'm Will, and today I'm going to show you how to saute up some wild mustard. But before that, remember to like and subscribe and comment down below, and don't forget to press that notification bell down below. When you have found some wild mustard that's going through flower, it's going to kind of look like broccoli. The flower heads are going to be about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch in width, and what you're looking for is just the flowering stalk, so it's easy to harvest, bend and snap, so you just snap it right off and it comes right off nice and easy. So the amount that you're looking for is about like a handful. This will cook down just a little bit, but imagine like cooking spinach. It's going to cook down just like that. After you have harvested enough of the stalks that you're looking for, you can get more or less, and let's go inside and cook them up. If you want to start foraging yourself and make this recipe, go down in the description, click the link to my website, and get the starter pack for foraging, or you can just get all the different wild edible books of plants and mushrooms that you can start foraging for yourself. Now, when we're inside, you want to turn the stove on and turn it on to like high, because we're going to make brown butter. So take a chunk of butter, toss it right in the pan, let that melt down, and when it starts like browning, add the wild mustard right in. After having the butter on high for 1 minute, you want to then turn it down to just below medium. And at this moment, you want to keep a very sharp eye. When it starts changing color, add the mustard right at that moment. And now add the mustard right in. Mix it up. Get it like flat surface. You want to get it out as much as it right in the bottom of the pan as you can. And from this moment, add some Worcestershire sauce. This is a local company, Beast Maine, not a sponsor, but it's that good. And then add a little bit of mixed up pepper. Stir it up. And it's almost time to take it right off the heat, but right at the last moment, just a really quick little dash of lemon juice. And mix that right up. You can also put lime juice if you prefer that. Look at this! Oh, it smells so good. Let's try it. That tastes fantastic. Really good flavor. And it's not like a spicy broccoli. Imagine like a Spanish broccoli or a broccoli rabe, where there's a slight little bite, but not overwhelming. This is more like tasting, not like a stone ground mustard where it's spicy. It's more like a broccoli. So, tastes fantastic. And that's how you saute up some wild mustard. If you want to see more, go down in the description below, click the link to my channel, or press the round subscribe button to help me out to get to 10,000 subscribers. And until next time, remember to get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See ya.